Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 high potential winning products that you could sell right now for Q4. Let's go. Alright, what's going on everybody? Long time no see. Back again with another e-commerce video for you guys. Jeffrey here. And in this video, we'll just go through really quick the 5 winning products that you can sell right now for Q4. If you haven't already found your product, don't worry. This is the video for you. We're not going to get too much into detail about these products, but we're going to go through all 5 products for you guys. So the first one here, we're just going to talk about the nylon travel bag, which is going to be our first winning product. So as you can see, it's like basically a set of bags that travelers can use while they are packing, which is really effective in this case because you can actually make everything more organized and structured. So you can see it comes with a set of 3 laundry bags, laundry pouches, and 3 I'm assuming for pants, for underwear, and like for clothes as well, and pants. So it's really effective because as I said again, it's perfect for making everything organized and ensuring that you don't lose your items and you don't have to keep finding your underwear or whatever during your trip. So as you can see, this is a visual representation of what I mean. So very organized, very structured, easy to find items and all that, and you can really highlight that for your ad copy and say this is actually perfect for everyone who's traveling, always on the go, especially if you're doing business trips, you're always traveling everywhere around the world as a digital nomad or everything like that. So as well as that, there's actually a lot of great photos that you can use. So this is one prime example. You can do a before and after pic, as long as it doesn't guarantee anything, because Facebook is actually really strict with their policies when it comes to, I guess, guarantee things, guaranteeing results, something like that. So make sure you don't use that for your ad copy. Before we carry on the video, be sure to comment down below brand fam to enter our giveaway for our consulting call, as well as subscribe to the channel and like the video. That tells me usually that you like it. But in this case, you can actually use it as well, so it shouldn't be a problem. And here again, more product sizes actually tells you the exact measurements of what the bag is, so people can get an idea of whether or not they can fit these items or not in their baggage and what kind of baggage they can use. As well as that, you can actually see it fits different baggage sizes, so large, medium, small, and then corresponds to the different bag sizes that's included in the set as well. As well as that, there's color display. You can use these colors, these pictures as well. So there's blue, CM blue, there's red, there's pink, orange, and loads of other choices, right? More pictures again that you can use. These are perfect. So you can also use these for the video ads as well if you actually do decide to use a video ad for Facebook. And there's going to be more high definition photos like that. Breathable mesh, these are one of the benefits as well, and a soft rubber mark for use for high in atmosphere. Not sure what that is, but you can make up the benefits like this. So the portable design, comfortable zipper, things like that. So overall, it's not a bad product. You can see it's 4.8 stars out of 5 out of 1,700 reviews. So definitely very reliable in terms of the supplier, 90.6, and the product itself. So definitely not a bad product to mess around with. Now, it is $6.50, so I would recommend selling it for about maybe $19 or so. And as well as that, you can target people who are into backpacking, businessmen who always travel, people who are into bags, wellness, like quality of life, making sure that everything is structured. But I'm just basically pulling it out of my ass, but you probably can get a lot more ideas from your own heads because I'm sure you're more capable than I am right now. So these are the targeting options that you could do, and then you can actually use more photos here for your ad copy or maybe even the product description, and just get an idea of what kind of photos and what kind of product that they're receiving. So you can see it's not a bad product as well, right? It's not a bad product at all. There's 5-star reviews and a lot of pictures that you could use, and it doesn't really stray too much away from the actual photos that you're using. So that's one of the things, it has to actually have consistency between the product that you're promoting on the web and the actual product they're receiving. So in this case, it's perfect, right? It's not too much out of the ordinary. Okay, so this is the first product we have. So the second one we have right now is a magnetic cable organizer. So the reason why I chose this is because one, it has a lot of orders, so that means that the product is already in demand, people are already buying it. And second of all, because basically this brand has a really high and really good ratings. So there's a 97.6% positive feedback, actually is one of the top brands for that niche. Overall ratings for the product is good, 4.7 out of 2,200 reviews, so definitely very reassuring there. And further of all, also because they actually have a lot of high definition photos, so you can see here. So that's the branding there, but don't worry, you can say you're working with them. Really high definition photos, as I said, so you can use these photos all for free. Flat cable, round cable, braided cable, you can use this as well. So yeah, very high definition photos. As well as that, if you find out that this product does well, you can actually, there's a lot of opportunity for branding. You know, you can sell this for about $29 or above. So the margin is actually really high. And you can actually reach out to these suppliers themselves and say, if you want to work with them, you know, one-on-one and full-time. If you know, the product actually ends up working well, you can actually work with them on a personal basis and do private packaging, white labeling, and all that good stuff. Okay, so definitely not a bad product to be working with. Again, really nice photos. You can definitely improve the packaging because it seems like the product packaging is pretty bad. But over time, you find that this is a good product. You can actually improve it with like hard case boxes and all that stuff. So this is going to be the second product that we will discuss. So third one is going to be a shoelace, elastic magnetic locking shoelace. So when I saw this product, I definitely, you know, it really caught my attention because I was like, wait, you don't really have to tie your own shoelace and you can tie your shoelace in like 1 second. You know, really intrigued me because you know, I didn't learn to tie shoelace until pretty old, like around 9 or 10 years old. So there are still people who don't know how to tie shoelace or lazy of doing it. So this can actually solve a problem, make life more convenient for your potential customer. As you can see, there's actually a lot of different laces, different colors available. I personally wouldn't use so many colors just because it's kind of overwhelming, and I would just do ship from United States or China. So the length is going to be 100 cm, whatever, it's okay. Really good positive feedback, 99.1. Hits all the boxes. So item as described, yeah, good. Communication good, shipping speed good. 4.8 overall stars for this product out of 4,500 reviews, so definitely very good. 10,000 orders, don't let that scare you. There's actually still a market for it, but I guess you just have to be more creative with your ad creatives and how you promote your product. As you can see, this is magnetic. It's pretty cool. You don't even have to tie shoelace. 1 second lace, you can see. This can actually be your USP, unique selling point. This said you can save so much time. You can actually cut the excess laces. These are basically the instructions, so you can put that in your store as well. This can actually be a one product store too. It actually works really well. So definitely something to consider once you get traction. Shoe display, some examples of using the product itself. 18 different colors. Yeah, perfect. So 12 different colors, blah blah. Yeah, so more photos like this as well. Okay, so this is going to be the third product on our list. So the fourth one here is probably one of the more unique ones out of the 5 I'm talking about, and this is going to be a light up toys, basically a glow in the dark pen. And this is really unique in my opinion because it really caught my attention. This is really, I can already imagine, perfect for kids who want to kind of play around in the dark, and something like this is very unique and really intrigues them because it's something you don't see every day, and all these pens are usually not glow in the dark, right? So this is really cool. You pretty much use the marker right down on a piece of paper, and then there's like a light at the end of the pen where you can flash the light and actually see what kind of things that you wrote on the paper. I'm not sure if this is like a brand new technology, but it is pretty cool, and there aren't a lot of orders right now. So there's still definitely some potential to market this item, and definitely very safe for kids and suitable for kids as well. So again, very nice high definition photos. You can see this marker here at the bottom. At the other side, there's like the light that you can flash onto the paper to see the stuff like that. So this is really cool. You can see, right? You can like draw on your hands, and then you can just press the light and you can see all the stuff that you wrote. Pretty cool stuff. So Again, you have some really high definition photos and really good ratings as well, apart from that, right? So 4.8 of 1.3k reviews, 95%, a bit on the lower end, but still it should be okay because the product itself is good. You can look into different suppliers and vendors too if you don't really kind of you're not convinced for this particular vendor. You can always look around, right? So the reviews, not too bad. I love 5-star reviews. My son loves it. So this is actually a good idea. Here's another nugget for you guys. So if you don't know what to target or what to say, you can actually look at the comments and see what people are saying, right? So great, my son loves this product. You can see description accurate, blah blah. It's not tracked. Okay. So some of these you can actually see and check the comments to see what part of the product people like. And if this doesn't work, you can actually go on Amazon as well to find the same item. Try to find the same product as this one or any other product you're promoting, and try to look for the comments. What are people saying about the product that you can actually get ideas from for your description, your website, or your ad copy as well. So definitely very, very useful in that aspect. So you can see the photos work pretty well, and the item works as shown. So this is going to be the fourth product. Okay, last but not least, we actually have the Funny Baby Pacifier, which is pretty funny and pretty quirky in my opinion. I've seen this kind of advertised and shown on other channels on YouTube a couple of times, not too many, but I just thought I'd show this because it is really unique and it's pretty cool, right? You actually make a baby niche just centered around this, which is pretty brandable as well. And you can probably sell these bundles for a lot more expensive price. For example, you could do like these 3 products for like 20 bucks, and I'm sure people would buy it if they really like it, because it is a passionate audience, the baby niche. Parents really like their kids a lot, and you can offer something very unique to them to make their baby happy, to make themselves happy, and to make their baby look even more cute, right? So 4.8 stars out of 1.1k ratings reviews, which is really good. Again, 96% positive feedback, which is still okay, not too bad. These ratings are not too good, but still it's doable, especially in the beginning. It shouldn't matter too much, obviously assuming that they actually ship the items on time. You can see you can use some of these cute photos of the baby, definitely very eye-catching and very cute, evokes an emotional response. Really high definition photos as well, again, that you can use in your product description, and lots more like that. So far the rating has been good too. There's also a lot of photos that you can use, so stuff like this, but I would find something more visually appealing, just because these are usually badly taken and they're pretty bland, right? So you can definitely do a lot better than that. Once you find it's a winning product, you can kind of order the product in yourself and take the video yourself. If you have a baby or someone who someone who has a baby, then even better. Just use their baby as a model for you, given they have consent, of course. And then yeah, this is another pretty good product that you can really upsell, and you can upsell this product as a product as well, or you could use it as like a bundle. You could let people buy multiple different designs and then offer it at a higher price. So 20 bucks for free, buy 4 get 1 free, buy 5 get 1 free, buy 5 get 3 free, something like that. Okay, so these are going to be the 5 winning products for today's video. So make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, comment down below brand fam to win the giveaway, and be sure to subscribe for more content related to e-commerce. So that's about it for me today. I'm out.